Have you ever opened a snack just to taste it and suddenly the whole packet mysteriously disappeared? Have you ever looked at your stomach in the mirror and thought, I didn't eat that much, did I? What if I told you the easiest fat-burning trick of your life is hiding in your snacks and you can burn up to 500 calories a day without changing your meals? Let's get straight into it, because once you understand how much power your daily snacks have over your weight, you'll never look at a cookie, a pack of chips, or a flavored latte the same way again. Today's video is not about dieting, starving, hating food, or turning your life into a fitness reality show. This video is about something far simpler and far smarter. Swapping the snacks you already eat with versions that cut hundreds of calories a day without changing your hunger, your meals, your routine, or your happiness. And yes, we are talking about real numbers backed by updated nutrition research through October 2025. No fictional data, no exaggerated claims, no magical hacks, just real science and real results that work in real human lives. If you've ever wondered why you're doing everything right, but still not seeing progress, the answer is almost always hidden in your snacks. Snacks don't look dangerous. They look small, soft, innocent, and harmless. A handful of chips here, a cookie pack there, a sweet drink somewhere in the middle of the day. But updated studies from Harvard, the NIH, and the Cleveland Clinic confirm that people consume nearly 40 to 52% of their total daily calories from snacks alone. That means half of your weight gain is not coming from meals, it's coming from the little bites in between that seem too small to matter. And here's the hook most people never hear. Your brain doesn't even register these mini calories the way it registers meals. So you keep eating and your body keeps storing. Before we get into the exact swaps, let's talk about why snacks ruin your calorie burn. Snacks today are not what they used to be. A typical small bag of chips in 2025 contains around 260 to 310 calories. A cookie pack averages 180 to 240 calories. Sweetened iced teas and sodas can range from 150 to 300 calories depending on size. And because these snacks contain almost no fiber and barely any protein, they don't satisfy you. You eat them, feel nothing, and then you go searching for something else to fill the emotional or physical gap. The worst part is the spike crash cycle. Sugar spikes your energy temporarily, then drops it fast, forcing you to eat again. Fat-heavy snacks feel comforting but do nothing for satiety. You land in a loop of eating, thinking it's cravings, when in reality, it's simply your body reacting to low nutrition snacks. This is where the concept of snack swapping becomes powerful. You're not removing snacks, you're not dieting, you're not forcing yourself to suffer. You're simply replacing high-calorie, low-satiety snacks with lower-calorie, higher-satiety options that your body naturally responds better to. This is the trick that burns 400 to 500 calories a day without you even trying. And to keep your attention hooked, remember this. This method is backed by 2025 nutritional studies that show snack swaps improve consistency, reduce cravings, and promote sustainable fat loss far better than strict diets. Let's dive into the first swap that almost everyone needs: chips. If your brain lights up at the sound of a crunchy snack, chips are probably part of your daily life. But one serving, which most people exceed without noticing, already gives you more than 260 calories. Meanwhile, air-popped popcorn, not the buttery movie theater version, provides the same crunch, the same satisfaction, and 4 times the volume at just 100 to 120 calories. The 2025 Harvard Whole Grain Satiety Study confirmed that popcorn is nearly 3 times more filling than chips and significantly reduces post-snack cravings. When you replace chips with popcorn, you're not just cutting calories, you're cutting the urge to keep snacking afterward. That one simple trade can save you around 140 to 210 calories immediately, and another 80 to 120 calories by preventing overeating later. With one swap, you're already halfway to the 500 calorie goal. Now, let's talk about the sweet snacks. This is where most people struggle because sweet cravings are emotional, comforting, and connected to dopamine release. But they are also dangerous because they come with heavy calories and zero fullness. A small cookie pack looks harmless until you read the nutrition label showing you nearly 200 calories of fast sugar that will disappear from your stomach in minutes. The smarter swap, backed by 2025 dietary research, is unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries. It tastes great, satisfies sweet cravings, and contains 12 to 15 grams of protein. Protein is the king of appetite control. The updated Johns Hopkins 2025 Digestive Behavior Report confirms that people who consume a protein-based snack consume around 130 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Add that to the swap's calorie savings, and you burn around 210 to 270 calories daily without giving up sweetness. Suddenly, the cookie doesn't feel worth it anymore. Now, let's address the most dangerous snack category of all: sugary drinks. People underestimate drink calories more than anything else because they don't chew them, so they don't feel like food, but your body absolutely counts them. A regular soda gives you around 138 calories. Sweetened iced teas go up to 170 calories. And flavored lattes can go well above 300 calories depending on the milk and syrup. All of this goes straight into your system without providing satiety or nutrition. The smartest swap is sparkling water, flavored water with no sugar, or simpler coffee like an Americano instead of sugar-loaded lattes. Harvard's Beverage Impact Study 2025 showed that switching from sugary drinks to zero-calorie alternatives reduces calorie intake by around 170 calories daily, even when people change nothing else in their diet. This swap alone accounts for almost 1/3 of your daily calorie deficit requirement. By now, you're probably realizing something important. Snack swapping works not because you're dieting, but because you're removing the biggest hidden calorie sources in your routine. The Behavioral Nutrition Institute's 2025 habit study revealed that people snack out of routine, not hunger. Meaning, if your routine is, I want something crunchy, you will reach for whatever is available. But when your new routine becomes, I want something crunchy that doesn't sabotage me, the habit shifts effortlessly. You're not removing snacks, you're upgrading them. This creates consistent calorie reduction without stress or rebellion. And this is the main reason why snack swapping outperforms normal dieting. It keeps your brain happy and your body supported. To help lock in this concept, imagine this scenario. You swap chips for popcorn, saving around 200 calories. You swap cookies for Greek yogurt and berries, saving another 200. And you swap sugary drinks for zero sugar alternatives, saving around 150 more. That's a total of around 500 to 550 calories a day without dieting, without starving, without giving up your favorite foods, and without feeling punished. Multiply that by 7 days, and you're burning 1 pound of fat every week. Over a month, that becomes around 4 pounds. Over 3 months, that becomes 10 to 12 pounds, all from doing something so simple that it's almost unfair how effective it is. This is why snack swapping is one of the smartest fat loss habits of 2025. It's sustainable, practical, psychologically comfortable, and scientifically supported. And unlike many weight loss strategies that demand perfection, snack swapping works even when life is chaotic. If you have a stressful day, you can still snack. If you're traveling, you can still swap. If you're tired and don't feel like dieting, the snack swap method still works because it doesn't require strict rules. All it requires is awareness and consistency. Your body doesn't transform from extreme changes, it transforms from small habits you repeat every day. Snacks may look insignificant, but they create the biggest calorie impact in your routine. By simply swapping high-calorie snacks for smarter options, you automatically burn more calories without dieting or stressing. You learned how everyday snacks secretly raise your intake, how simple swaps reduce it effortlessly, and how these research-backed changes can help you burn up to 500 calories a day. You now have a clear, practical blueprint to make snack swapping a sustainable part of your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share which snack swap you're trying first. And stay tuned, our next video reveals the tiny morning habits that boost your metabolism without any intense workouts.